Introducing the 2019 Subaru Ascent. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.